Hello, guys. First, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you are doing very good days with the holidays. And today, we try just to see another concept of trading that most of the traders they forgot. So, protecting your money or your capital is the first thing you should think of before even you trade. So most of the people focus and push themselves to find ways to make money with techniques, with strategies, and so on. But they fail into protecting their money. And this is why most of the traders, most of them, they lose money. And the thing is, when they lose money, they don't stop. This is another problem. They continue trading with the same mindset. They don't even look at the risk they are doing. They don't see their whole account. They don't spread the risk. Others, they don't use stop loss, which is not a big deal, especially in day trading. All this stuff will make you very, very weak in protecting your money. So when you focus on making money, you begin just to trade and you lose money. You trade, you lose money, you trade, you lose money. First, you have no idea how much risk you are taking. Okay? And sometimes people, when they trade stocks, they think all the stocks are the same. They don't differentiate, for example, between an ETF, which is an exchange traded fund, which is like a stock, but it is not a stock. Okay? Sometimes these ETFs, they track options, they track currency pairs, they track futures. So they are very, very risky, but they don't understand how much risk they have in this stock or ETF. Okay? So, two parts of the thing you should take care of. The first thing is consider always planning your trade, looking at the whole account. Try to protect yourself as much as you can, because your money is like your blood. Losing too much will make you weak. I have seen a lot of people who send me requests for training, but when they have no money. And this is a pity. Okay? Someone has $45,000. He began to trade at the beginning of the year. He lost it all. He has only 5,000. And then he asked for help. So if you have $45,000, you begin to lose 5,000, 7,000, 10,000. Stop. Stop. See what is going on in your account. What are the mistakes that you are doing? That's why I have done a training called How to Fix Your Trading Problems. I counted 28 problems with the solutions. Okay? So these problems, if you don't recognize these problems, if you don't solve this problem, you will never see the money. The money, it's not with a trick or with a tip, as some people hear online. Oh, I will give you a trick, I will give you a tip, you will be making money. This is stupid. Stupid, because trading is a business. A business, you should know about your business. The tools that you are using, the capital that you are having, a lot of things you should consider when you are doing a business of trading. I have a lot of, even some of my students who are willing to do a small business, which is an LLC, to post as with the IRS as trader status. It means that you are trading. At least you can claim your loss if you have it with tax and so on, which is not the same as what you are doing right now for most of the people who are doing just an individual account, which is not an LLC. Okay? Understand that there are restrictions. So, when I speak about protecting your money, it's a lot of things. For example, if you have a business like an LLC, okay, which is starting a business account. It's not an individual account that you see there. It means wherever, at least wherever you lose, you can claim it in your tax. And you don't pay as much as tax, because if you have a job, so your tax will be reduced because you have lost, let's say you have lost some money. But if you are having, for example, an individual account, you can claim only 3,000 each year. So if you lost 10,000 or 20,000 or whatever, you should stay many years until you claim all that money. And this is too bad. Okay, it is too bad. Now, this is part of the game. If you are going into it, or you are just staying like an amateur. So protecting your money, it is not just finding strategies, how to trade stocks. No, there are more than that. And understand in general that making money is the result of hard and smart work. The people who make money, they are not smarter than you, or they don't work harder than you. Maybe you work harder than them, but they take care of all the problems and they solve them. It's like a problem solving game. You solve your problems one after the other, and then you begin to see the money, more money, and then it becomes like a piece of cake. Okay? A piece of cake. It means you know what you are doing, you know your risk, and you go ahead. You lose once, you lose twice, but then you make money once, twice, thrice. Okay? So all this stuff should be learned. It's a business. It's not just you go online, you find, oh, I will show you a technique, you can make money. You can never make money like this. This is just what we call amateur thinking. Amateur thinking, it means you are just like gambling. You take a ticket, stock like a ticket, you put numbers, okay, and you scratch and you see if you lose or you. It's all about luck, about hope. Now, when you are doing business, you are not doing hope and luck. You should know these things that you are doing. When you enter a trade, you should plan for it. You should know when to exit. You should know when to take your profits. You should not put all your money into one stock, all your account. There are a lot of mistakes that you are doing, but you don't know that you are doing these mistakes. The only thing that you see is that you are losing money. But losing money is a result of your mistakes. It's not because of the market. Understand that the market is neutral. The market is always, from the first creation of the stock market in Amsterdam in the 15th century, with two stocks. This is the stock market, how it began in Europe, in Amsterdam. Two stocks. Always a stock go up, the other is going down. Sometimes they go up together, sometimes they go down together. This is the stock market. It doesn't change. The stock market, we have thousands and thousands of strategies, but the market is the same. Nothing changed. Nothing has changed. Even before, the guys, when there is no chart, now we use the chart, we use other tools, but before there is no chart, there is only the price. People are stupid to think that with the chart or with something else, you can make more money than the heart. The heart of trading is just prices. Okay? Just the price. It's moving either up or down. If you understand, you see the stock going down and you short it, you can make money right away. It's just opportunities that comes to the market daily. Always we have opportunities in the market. So some people, they go just long for always, but sometimes the market doesn't go long. Most of the stocks, they go down. So if you are going long, you are just making the biggest problem, especially this year when we have the correction. A lot of guys, I told them, okay, if you are going long too much, don't put too much in the market, because the market is troubled. 2 days is going up, 3 days going down. Okay? It's like a zigzag thing. There is no trend this year. Okay? No big trend that you can see. It's all trading into orange. So all these problems that you are in is the result of your ignorance of understanding how to protect your money. Okay? And this is a part of why the people, they lose money. It's not because they don't just know how to trade, or they don't know stocks. No. You can know stocks, you can know many strategies, many techniques, but still you lose money. So all these losses have a root in your ignorance in how to protect your money. Protecting your money, you don't find it online like this. Okay? You don't find it just in someone is beginning to give you information like this. These are precious information you find only in training. You find it only in some specialized books about trading and the people who give such information. Okay? So, hope this video just enlighten you on some points that I spoke about protecting your money and how to make money, and understand that these two parts, you begin with the first part and then you make the second part. This needs practice, needs a long practice, needs money, needs to be aware of a lot of things, and needs to be a business. It's not a job. Trading is not a job, it's a business. Because one day you can make a lot of money, the other day you can lose money. So it's a business. So it's not you work 1 hour, you get $10. This is not trading. Like I see some people, oh, I will show you how to make $100, $200 a day. This is not a job, man. Okay? So it means that you don't lose each day. So this is stupid. So these people, they are not in the market. It means they don't trade. They are out of the trade. They are just, someone. It's like someone who has not done the war and he speaks about the war. Okay, so that's the thing. So thank you very much. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving Day, and I know you will be busy, and I hope you enjoy your holiday. And all these days, I guess it's holidays for some people. I understand. Some people, even in the holidays, they are working, and it's part of life. So either you accept this or you should change your job. And for those who are just having fun, so have fun, eat, think about what I am saying always, and take the good decisions. There is Thanksgiving discounts this week. Please take care of it if you are interested in training. But if you take the subscription, golden or silver, it's better because you will save a lot of money. And that's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.